Ooh-wee, it's going down. Stick around. All right, Plant-Based Planet. Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Plant-Based Planet. Today, we're making street tacos. I got a couple of homeboys coming over. We're just gonna chill. So I said, man, I gotta do something pretty quick. I wasn't even gonna tape today. I wasn't even gonna record, but man, I was like, this is actually gonna be a good meal. So, and the star of today's show is plantains. So, man, check out our spread. We're gonna make some street tacos with some squash, plantains, some radish that are soaked in lime and garlic. We're gonna make, remember that corn, the sauteed corn? We're gonna make some garlic sauteed corn with some vegan sour cream. It says dairy free, we'll see. Some roasted red peppers and some curried potatoes. So, ooh, it's gonna be tasty. So, stick around, we're about to speed through. I'm about to do all the prep, all of my cutting and stuff. Not much to really show you all because everything is pretty much just sauteed. We're gonna throw them into the tacos, you know, put them on the skillet real quick, and that's it. All right, peace. All right, so this is what the spread came out. You can see I already served a few tacos to my buddies, but we got the curried potatoes, the sauteed squash, the sauteed corn with garlic, our plantains, we got some cilantro, some radish soaked in lime juice, some red peppers, and then that's our vegan mayo with cilantro and lime sauce. And then my buddy Marcos brought over really good sauce that's homemade. He won't tell me what the ingredients are, and then we got some sharp cheddar. We eat real cheese, so even though this is plant-based, we don't mess with the fake cheese, but we do have some fake sour cream. Marcos, you mind telling us
Oh, sure, no,
what
absolutely.
your experience was with the first
Oh,
one?
the first taco, no, definitely. You know, it just the the taste of
Where's the beef?
the combination of
Where's the beef?
the plantains, the zucchini gives it texture,
Hey, where's the beef?
but the plantains and the curry potatoes just give it that combination of flavor that it just you know it's a combination of sweet, mild, but it's not a sweetness that's overbearing.
Where's the beef?
And the small little pieces of bell pepper just kind of give it a little bit of a spicy taste combined with the curry. But I would say that what wraps everything around, what encapsulates the experience with the tortilla and it's, I would say the cheese has a big towards the end. It just kind of takes you have all these combined flavors, but then the cheese just wraps it all up. This is the recipe, right?
Oh man! Now I know y'all are thinking I paid Marcos for that, or he's a professional food critic, and kind of yes on both of those. Here's my man Andrew. We call him Twin. Yeah, and you can see we would ask him what he felt, but we can see he doesn't even have to say a word really. So we're gonna keep pumping these out, and man, you saw it once again. It was real easy. It went fast. the phone, my battery died, so you couldn't really see me actually making them, but you can see I'm doing. We got the flame on the one pilot, and we're doing the tortillas, and this is it, y'all. It was real easy. All right, Plant-Based Planet, we out.